Oasys Pile program allows users to analyze different stages which follow one another. This is available only when TZ curves are selected for settlement analysis. When a new file is created, the program inserts the default stage initial. The new further stages can be set up from the stage tree view. This can also be done from the gateway. The current stage index is displayed in the stage indicator located at the bottom right corner of the application window. The stage data menu allows the data to be modified in individual stages using the stage operations window. This opens up a tree diagram which allows access to all available options for each stage. Ticks are placed against those options which have been changed. This window also allows the creation of new stage and deletion of stages that are no longer required. When Add Stage is selected, the new stage can be inserted with a new name and after the required stage. The parameters can also be set to change at each stage. Left click on the boxes to open or close the tree diagram for each stage. The program then calculates the pile capacity and analysis as selected. For settlement analysis, the program treats the pile and soil displacements obtained from analysis of a particular stage as the initial displacements for the next stage.